Very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, today in geometry of class 9, we are going to solve the worksheet part 2 of lesson number 5, quadrilaterals. Children, in your worksheet, first of all you have to write your name, division and roll number and today's date. In your worksheet, question number 1 is given. Choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following question. The first one is given. If opposite angle of a rhombus are 2x degree and 3x minus 40 degree, then the value of x is dash. The property of rhombus is the opposite angle of a rhombus are congruent. It means 2x equal to 3x minus 40. Now minus 40 will go to the left side, become plus, and 2x will come to the right side, become minus. From 3x minus 2x remain how much? X. Therefore the answer of x is how much? 40. So here our correct option is D, 40. Second one is given. The two diagonals are equal if the parallelogram is dash. The options are given: rhombus, rectangle, square, and the D1 is given both B and C. It means both answer rectangle and square. Children, in parallelogram, if diagonals are equal, then that parallelogram will be rectangle or square. It means our correct option is D, both B and C. The third one is given. Side of a rhombus is 5 cm. Find the length of its diagonal. So student, in square all the sides are equal. To find the value of diagonal, we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Other two sides are given 5. Square of 5 is 25. Other side is also 5. The square of 5 is 25. 25 plus 25, 50. If we do prime factor, we get 25 2 25 is the square of 5. It means the answer is 5 root 2. B option. Fourth one is given. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. AC is given 10 cm. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at point P. Then we have to find the length of BP. As we know, diagonal of a rectangle bisect each other. It means the length of BP is half of diagonal AC, that is 10 is given. So our answer will be 5. The correct option is B, 5 cm. Question number 2 is given. Solve the following. And the first question is given. In a rhombus PQRS, if PQ is given 7.5 cm, find QR. If length of QPS is 75 degree, find the measure of angle PQR and angle SRQ. First of all, we will write a given information. Then we will write to find. Then solution. That in a rhombus PQRS, all the sides are equal. But side PQ is given 7.5 cm. Then QR is also 7.5 cm because all sides of rhombus are congruent. Now, children, angle QPS is given 75 degree and opposite of P is given R. So, angle R is opposite of angle P. So, SRQ is also 75 degree from second. This is second number. Now here we have to find the value of which one? PQR. So angle SRQ plus angle PQR equal to 180 degree. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Substitute the value of angle SRQ is 75 degree from second. Now 75 will go to the right side, become minus. Now 180 minus 75 is how much? 105. Therefore measure of angle PQR is 105 degree. Question number 2. In quadrilateral IJKL, side IJ is parallel to side KL. Angle I is given 108 degree. Angle K is given 53 degree. Find the measure of angle J and angle L. Solution: in quadrilateral IJKL is a trapezium. Then side IJ is parallel to side KL and line IL is a transversal. So angle I plus angle L equal to 180 degree. They form interior angle. Substitute the value of I, 108 degree. Now 108 will go to the right side, become minus. Therefore the measure of angle L equal to how much? 72 degree. Now side IJ is parallel to side KL and JK is a transversal. Now angle J plus angle K equal to 180 degree. They form interior angles. Substitute the value of angle K, 53 degree. Therefore angle J equal to 180 degree minus 53 degree. We get how much? 127 degree. Question number 3. In the figure, point X, Y, Z are the midpoint of side BC and side AC of triangle ABC respectively. AB is given 5 cm, AC is given 9 cm, BC is given 11 cm. Find the length of XY, YZ and XZ. Children, first of all we will write XYZ are the midpoint of segment AB, segment BC and segment AC. XY is the half of AC by midpoint theorem. AC value is given how much? 9. So half of 9 is how much? 4.5. Therefore length of XY equal to 4.5 centimeter. Same way we will do YZ is the half of AB by midpoint theorem, and the AB is given how much? 5. The half of 5 is how much? 2.5 centimeter. Therefore YZ is 2.5 centimeter. Now XZ is the half of BC and BC value is given 11. Now half of 11 is how much, student? 5.5. Therefore XZ is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now question number 4. The adjacent side of a rectangle are 7 cm and 24 cm. Find the length of its diagonal. So first of all, let a quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. AB is given 7 cm and BC is given 24 cm. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, angle of a rectangle. By Pythagoras theorem, square of AC equal to square of AB plus square of BC. Substitute the value of AB and BC. Square of 7 is how much? 49. Square of 24 is 576. Addition of this is 625. Now square root of 625 is how much? 25. Therefore AC is how much? 25 centimeter. So the length of the diagonal is 25 centimeter. Now children, question number 3 is given. State with reason whether the following statements are true or false. The first statement is given, every parallelogram is a rhombus. False. In a rhombus, all sides are equal in length, whereas in a parallelogram, only opposite sides are equal. Therefore, the given statement is false. Now, second one is given, every square is a rhombus. True. A quadrilateral is a rhombus if all of its sides are equal in a square. All sides are equal. So, your given statement is true. I hope you have understood this worksheet. Thank you for watching this video.